In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillights on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. We're going to take these push pins out. Just use a straight blade screwdriver or a pick. Just get underneath here, pop those out, just like that. There's two on the sides as well. Sometimes they separate. Pop those out, and the two on the other sides. Lift this up. Just attach that right there. And just grab the plastic here and pop it outward. Disconnect the connector right here. Do the same on the other side. And just grab this panel and slide it out. Use a T20 socket. Take that out. You can peel this back a little bit. You can open this door if that makes it easier. Just twist. And we can disconnect the connector right here. Disconnect the connector right here. And just grab it. It just pulls out. Just set that aside. Now we can access the back side here. Disconnect the connector for the light. Just push on the two tabs. Just take a trim tool, pop this push pin out. Take that out. You get a little bit more room. Move this out. That's good there. Using a 8mm socket, take these nuts off. One more nut right here. Take that one out. And you want to push the light from the inside forward. Just grab it. And it slides right out. On the back side of the light, we're going to take this circuit board off. Use a T20 socket. There's some screws in there. Take those screws out. You can take the gasket off here just to make it easier. And it slides right out. Now take the new light assembly. We'll just slide this seal back. Slide the circuit board in place. It's all lined up. We can put the seal back. Looks good. Take the screws, get those started. Snug that down. Snug that down. Now slide this in place. Get the studs lined up. Push that in. I'll take the nuts, get those started. I'm not going to tighten this one down too much, just finger tight, and then we'll tighten the other ones first. So it pulls it in a little bit. Snug that down. Those are all tight. This vehicle had 2 nuts on this one, so we'll just put that other nut on. Snug it down. That's good. Now we'll plug it in, line that up, lock it down. Now we'll plug this connector in. Push this panel back. I'm just putting that back in place. That's good. And take the push pin, line that up, lock it down. There's a clip here. Just push that clip in. I'm gonna take this bracket, screw this in place. Snug that down. Close this up. And I take the panel, line this up. Before we push it down, we're gonna plug the light in, get that connector lined up. Same on the other side. Line that up, push it down. Make sure that clips in. That looks good. That's good. Push the push pins in and lock them down. And 2 on the other side. And slide this cover down, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.